The Wolverine Rotary Ditcher is a powerful and versatile machine designed for efficient and effective ditch digging operations. It is equipped with a rotating cutting drum that uses the principle of centrifugal force to cut into the earth, creating clean, straight ditches. The cutting drum is driven by a hydraulic motor, which provides smooth and continuous operation, and it can be easily adjusted to achieve the desired depth and width of the ditch. The machine is equipped with a series of cutting teeth, which are made from high-strength steel and are mounted on the drum at the optimal cutting angle to maximize the efficiency of the cutting process. The Wolverine Rotary Ditcher is designed to be highly maneuverable, with a compact size and low profile, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. It is equipped with robust and durable tracks, which provide excellent stability and traction, making it possible to work in even the harshest of terrain. The tracks are adjustable, allowing the machine to be easily configured to match the specific requirements of the job site.